Started 7 businesses that have gone 0 to $1 million in their first 12 months, 3 businesses that went north of 10 million. But here's a crazy thing.
Hey, what if I told you that you could start earning money from home right now without needing special skills or wasting hours of your time? Sounds good, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you 11 websites that let you do simple tasks from home and start making money today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for ways to make money from home without the stress of complicated tasks or long hours, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 11 websites where you can easily earn money from home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's something for everyone. And don't worry, no crazy skills required. Let's dive into it. 1. Swagbucks. First up, we have Swagbucks. This one is perfect for beginners. You can earn money by doing things like watching videos, answering surveys, and even shopping online. Swagbucks gives you SB points, which you can exchange for PayPal cash or gift cards. It's super easy, and you can do it in your free time. Plus, they give you a bonus just for signing up. 2. Inbox Dollars. Next is Inbox Dollars. It's similar to Swagbucks, but they pay you real cash instead of points. You can earn money by taking surveys, reading emails, or playing games. It's perfect for doing tasks during your lunch break or while watching TV. And don't forget, you get paid in cash, not points. 3. Fiverr. Now let's talk about Fiverr. If you have a skill or talent, Fiverr is a great place to offer it. You can create gigs for things like graphic design, writing, voiceover work, and even video editing. The best part, you set your own prices and you can start as a beginner. So if you're good at anything, even simple tasks, you can make money right away. 4. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is for those who like doing hands-on work. You can get paid for tasks like assembling furniture, running errands, or even cleaning. It's perfect if you enjoy being active and want to help people in your local area. You set your own hours and choose which tasks you want to do, so it's super flexible. 5. Upwork. Upwork is a great platform for freelancers. If you have any skills in areas like writing, web design, or data entry, you can create a profile and start applying for jobs. It's ideal for people who want to take on bigger projects and even set up a long-term freelance career. You can also find entry-level work to get started. 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a great place to do small tasks for money. These tasks are easy and quick, like categorizing data or transcribing short audio clips. While the pay isn't huge, you can work whenever you have free time, and the tasks are really simple to complete. 7. Rev. Rev is great for people who are good at typing. With Rev, you can make money by transcribing audio files or adding captions to videos. It's a simple job, but it pays well. If you have fast typing skills and good attention to detail, Rev is a great option to start making money from home. 8. Clickworker. Clickworker offers small online jobs like writing, proofreading, and even taking surveys. You can choose tasks based on your interests or skill level, and they pay per task you complete. If you enjoy doing quick tasks, this is a great site to check out. Plus, you can work whenever you want, so it's really flexible. 9. Chegg Tutors. If you're good at teaching or know a subject well, Chegg Tutors is a fantastic option. You can tutor students in subjects like math, science, or even test prep. You set your hours, and you get paid for every session. It's a great way to share your knowledge and earn money from home. 10. User Testing. User Testing is a site where you get paid to test websites and apps. The process is simple. You sign up, complete a test by navigating through a website, and then give feedback. It's really easy to do, and you get paid for every test you complete. If you enjoy helping companies improve their websites, this is a great way to make some extra cash. 11. Pinecone Research. Lastly, Pinecone Research is one of the top websites for paid surveys. The surveys are quick and often about products and services you use. Each survey you complete pays well compared to other sites, and you can redeem your earnings for PayPal cash or gift cards. If you enjoy sharing your opinions, Pinecone Research is a great option. And that's it. 11 simple websites where you can start making money from home today. Whether you're looking for a fun side gig or a flexible full-time job, there's something for everyone. Which website will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. They'll be posting more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching. and he'll see you in the next video.